Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today's reading is for Leo. This is 1st to 15th of May. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. What are the obstacles that you might face in 1st to 15th of May? Okay, so I see there is an energy of manipulation, energy of deception. It can also be like something, you need to be careful that you might be in a situation which or surrounded by people who are manipulating you, or you are maybe having that energy of doing things which may not be a normal thing for you to do, maybe something in an unethical way. If something like that is running in your mind, then you need to be, you need to rethink what is running in your mind basically. And it also means to, it's like you need to focus that there is a light and dark side of everything, right? So you need to focus, you need not focus only on one side of any situation. Okay, try to see things from a different perspective. Also, you need to be careful of the deception, dishonesty, or something which may be a bit tricky also, I see. So it can be anything in your career, maybe the project you are working on. It's better if you can keep it confidential, keep it as much as to yourself if possible. And also you need to see that you do not take up the credit of others' work. Okay, so that's not right. So if that is a thing that you need to protect yourself and be away from this kind of situation and keep yourself, have just keep an eye that somebody is not taking advantage of you and you are also not doing the same at the same time. Okay, yeah, that's the obstacle. Let's see what is the guidance for you here, Leo, 1st to 15th of May. So the guidance here is here to take the action for what you want. Okay, instead of getting into the situation where you need to be dishonest or be decisive, okay, deceptive and manipulate others, it's better that you focus on taking action for your growth or for achieving your goal, in a like a fighter. Okay, instead of taking something silently, just try to have that energy of being a fighter, a go-getter. Okay, you may have the challenging situation around you, but you do not have to give up, and you need to take calculative steps. You need to take calculated risk. You need to have a proper strategy, proper plan on how you can achieve your goals. Okay, let's see what is the outcome coming in 1st to 15th of May. Okay, so here it's like you may be given something which is not so easy for you. It can be something you're planning to travel, but it may be a completely new place for you, new destination for you, or something related to work you have been assigned and you are not sure of whether to take it or not. So you have the guidance here is that you take action and go ahead. Okay, you need to be confident that whatever is given to you or whatever you are planning to achieve, you will get success in it. It's just like you have to be confident. You have to come out of your fear, you have to fight your fears, come out of your comfort zone, and things will work in your favor. Okay, so that's the outcome for 1st to 15th of May. Okay, Leo, if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. And if you want me to make a detailed reading for the next 15 days of May and for the months coming forward, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.